Dear friends, today I come back with a new cue card named as Describe a Traditional Object of Your Country. तो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि आज मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे एक पोल क्रिएट किया था और उसमें बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे ये इस क्यू कार्ड पे वोट दिया है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्क्राइब दिस क्यू कार्ड. So before describing this cue card, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and more cue cards. So the topic is talk about a traditional product of your country that you bought. What are the cues? What is it? How is it made? When did you try it for the first time? Why do you like it? Let's begin the simple answer. I am flamboyant individual who enjoys traveling the world, but I cannot resist purchasing a new traditional item as a souvenir to commemorate any trip. When I visited Gujarat state, I bought a bandhej or bandhani kurta from there, which was in green and blue shades. Bandhani is an ancient traditional craft of Gujarat and Rajasthan provinces that is accomplished on cotton and silk fabrics. The term bandhani is derived from the word bandhan, which means to bind or to tie. It is a traditional Indian tie and dye art in which the fabric is tied tightly and it is then dipped in for a dye bath. The tied area of the fabric is dyed in vibrant colors. Moreover, bandhej is a combination of a cluster of patterns, gorgeous color combinations and alluring twirls. It is available in a variety of colors such as yellow, blue, green and black in delicate and beautiful patterns. When I was studying in college, one of my friends from Gujarat gave me a kurta to wear for the annual day ceremony. When I wore it, means it was the kurta of bandhej. So when I wore it for that function, and my all friends gave great compliments on my look. Therefore, when I visited Gujarat, I bought 2 different patterns of bandhej kurta. It fits me so well that whenever I will wear it, I feel like I am on cloud 9. Overall, this was the finest souvenir I purchased from Gujarat, which is colorful and beautiful. This is the end of the cue card. Now we will learn the vocabulary. Flamboyant. It means extravagant or extroverted. Then delight soars to new heights. In place of, you can use happiness on 9th clouds. Then next one is great compliments. Means I get a positive feedback. Alluring means attractive or captivating. And last but not least, that is ceremony, you can use function. Thank you friends for watching my cue card and subscribing my channel. Thank you all of you. Thank you once again.